Hey guys, so today we will be learning a new thing in Python which is called comments. So comments can actually, bad comments can destroy your code faster than bugs. So we should learn how to write good comments and bad comments. So how to write comments in Python? So writing comments in Python is very easy. So this is the comment in Python which is called print hello. It starts with a hash and same is, uh, you know, this one also is a comment and it starts with a hash. So a single line comment we can do like this. So multi-line comment we can write like this using uh, three quotes and we can write a multi-line comment. So it's the literal. This is a multi-line comment. It mentions also when you hover over it. So but actually this is only a string and it it is a string without any reference. So our compiler will delete it. But for writing a multi-line comment, Python don't have any built-in. So we write using this. So this is one thing. And how about writing a good comment and a bad comment? So print hello is a bad comment because it only tells what this function is doing, which is printing hello or whatever. This is the good comment, which is greet the user when program starts, which actually tells what this particular function does. So this makes our code more readable, and this is actually the purpose of a comment. Hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.